So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and if you are between 18 and 30 and love innovation and want to work with one of the biggest beauty tech companies in the world, then L'Oréal Brandstorm 2026 is your choice. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step guide related to the criterias, rules, judges, rewards, and tips and tricks, and how you can enhance your chance to enter this company and build your career. So before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel and hype the video too. So what is the event about? Let's come to the event page. So it's a event every year. Thousands of young innovators from 65 plus countries compete to solve a real world business problem using their own creativity, technology, and science. So many of you are thinking, is this a hackathon or a quiz? So the answer is that this is not a hackathon, this is not a quiz, this is your chance to change your career and build innovation together. Here you get real mentorship like one-to-one interaction, you work on real business problem, you get a chance to pitch to global leaders. So chances of getting hired is more and more. So make sure to take part on it, and here let's start. So here the first thing is that you need to understand. Here all the things are mentioned on the page. So we are in the home page and we'll cover each things one by one, step by step. So here you can see what they expect from you. Here the 2026 mission is to craft the future of luxury fragrance powered by creativity, tech and science. So now you must be knowing that today's consumers want deeper emotional connections, hyper personalized scents, and sensorial experience. So, your mission is to go beyond the bottle and reimagine how you can let the world experience fragrance using your creativity, technology, and science. So it could be anything from AI-driven scent diagnostic or immersive VR fragrance journey or bioengineered sustainable fragrances. Your imagination is your limit. You can build anything. So here we will cover all these things. Who can join? How is the criteria? So who can join? Anyone who is aged from 18 to 30 and who is a student or a working professional. Now the best thing is that earlier in different events we need any CSE background or any tech background or any normal even biotech background, but here there is no requirement for background. Also there is no experience for participating in it. So even if you are a novice and wants to just participate from any background, from arts, science, commerce, any background you can take part. And here you have to just take part and form a team. Here the maximum number of team is 3. So you may form a team of 2 also, but I will recommend form a team of 3 so that you can equally divide all your workloads. So who cannot join? Here one thing you need to understand, that who cannot join. So if you have reached the international finals in previous year, if you have already participated in this event, then you cannot join. And if you are an employee of the same beauty brand, so basically if you are employed, then you must be not watching this video already. So this thing is the basic thing which I wanted to share. Now here we'll cover all the things. So here you can see team formation guideline is that you can only register for only one team, and they can be from any specialization, any colleges, any university. Like if you are studying in Delhi University, and if you want anyone from Maharashtra University or Pune University or any other country, country also you can have. So like this, you can just select anyone, any of your friend, you can add them and just build together and build a team. So here you need to understand each thing. So here first thing is that you have to register individually and then you have to form a team. Basically you have to share the invite link and then you will be able to just join there. So let me explain each and everything. So here first thing you need to register over here. You have to open this URL. If I open like this, and then you have to just log in and then register yourself and complete your registration. Okay, you have to just complete your registration. You have to come over here, click on sign up, and then after that you can see if you belong to this country, then you have to just select your country like this. If you are from India, you have to select it, and then you have to just select it like you have to sign in with Google, or you can create an account with Google or LinkedIn, or you can just use the traditional method of entering name, email address, password like this. You can create it. After you are registered and signed up, now you have to just share the invite link to all of you. If you need a detailed video like the registration process, I will make a video on it. Now here you can see there is non-elementary round, like all team members will be able to attempt the treasure hunt. Now the first thing is that you have to register and complete each stage from there. Now after that, here you can see the step case submission. Now here the submission is that first thing we came the registration, and here we covered all the things like how we have to register over here. If you want to know how to just fill the form, it's very easy. You have to just enter your details and just click on sign up. Now the second stage is that we have to do the case submission. We have to just submit a three slide PDF along with a video, okay, of 3 minutes, explaining your idea, like what you are building for this hackathon. It's not a hackathon, this event, okay. So what you want to build, you have to share this in a 3 slide PDF, and you have to explain it also along with a video. You can host a video on YouTube and just share it. And then after that, what you can do, you can add additional slides also, there is no issue. Maximum limit is 5. You can have 3 also, 5 also. And then you have to submit your ideas on this page only, like when you'll sign up, all the details will be shown over there. And then there will be master class. So many of you are completely new and you are clueless like how you have to do all the things. We don't know anything. So there will be master class also. They'll help you to refine your skills, and they'll guide you all the insights and what is the event about, how we have to do the submissions. All things will be shared over here. So once you have done all these things, now here we have to detail the submission. So once they shortlist you, you have to just fine tune your deck and your project, and then you will be ready for the submission. After that, there will be rounds like semifinals, mentorships, and national levels. And once you reach all these things, you'll be going to the international also, that too free of cost. So here you can see the judging criteria is here, and all the what they are expecting from you, that the projects would be unique, non-copied, not generated from the GPT AI. You can take help from the AI for generating the ideas, but you cannot copy paste entire thing. After this thing, how well it is feasible, like it is cost effective or not, or how well it can be scaled. So you need to work on all these things. I will share the link, you can just read out also. Now here you can see the rewards. So you'll be getting a chance to just get a prizes also. Here you can see multiple prizes are here. You can get a chance to work as an intern in L'Oréal also, or you'll be getting a chance for pre-placement and building your networks. There will be some cool goodies also, so you can just check out over here. Here you can see the registration deadline is still till 3rd of February 2026, so make sure to register as soon as possible. So here you can see you have to first of all create a unstop account, I think so. So then you have to just click on login, and after that here it will ask for you to log in. You can use continue with Gmail and continue with LinkedIn, and once you are logged in, then you have to click on register, and I think the registration link will redirect to this page only, and then you have to just register and you can start. Here all things are covered. You can see the dates and deadlines. Here you can see the winners, and all the events are shared over here. So here if you cover the top FAQs here, how can I participate? You can just open this link. Is there any registration fees? This is free of cost. Can I participate individually? So no, you need to have a team. You can just have a team, like you can add multiple peoples from your colleges, from your friend circles, and here they have mentioned that college is not required. Even if you have elder brother and sister, you can add them also. And is there any prerequisites? So there is no prerequisite over here. Okay, so do not worry about it. And if you have any query, you can see the discussions option. You can just post over here and they'll get to you. So this is the thing. You can see the registrations are very high, so make sure to register over here, and do like the video and subscribe the channel. If you have any query, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you want to participate in the arcade program and win cool swags, you can just watch this video. If I come over here to the courses section, you can see here is the video. So that's all. We wrap this video, and this is the way we have to complete this hackathon and registration process. If you are facing issue in the registration process, you can comment down below. I'll make a detailed video on it. So do like the video and subscribe the channel, guys. Have a great day ahead. Also, I have attached a link for registration, so you don't have to just search anywhere else. So thank you. Have a great day ahead.